the 2-in-1 Hydra Dermabrasion machine by myChway. Designed to elevate your facial treatments to new heights. Featuring cutting-edge technology and engineered for perfection, this professional-grade hydrofacial machine brings a host of benefits to your spa. Our improved Dermabrasion handle and built-in cleaning function reduce clogging, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your clients. Enjoy a more stable water flow with the hydrofacial machine for estheticians, reducing water leakage issues and providing customers with a superior cleaning experience. Unlike plastic competitors, this professional Dermabrasion machine features a metal case and handles for greater durability and longer-lasting returns. Versatile heads for comprehensive care includes 2 types of heads for facial cleaning and scalp care, adapting to all your clients' skincare needs. Designed with a flexible hose and intuitive touch controls, offering superior usability in any professional setting. Let's dive deeper into its capabilities. The Dermabrasion handle uses vacuum suction and ultrafine water circulation to cleanse and rejuvenate the skin, while the oxygen sprayer blends high-pressure oxygen with water, delivering molecular particles for a revitalizing experience. Transform your skincare treatments with the 2-in-1 Dermabrasion machine by myChway. Discover why professionals trust it for exceptional results. Visit myChway to learn more and elevate your spa's offerings today.